Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today, and I've come to share some crafting with you. I've been doing a little bit of crafting for me today rather than for work or for any other reason, and I was massively inspired by this lovely little mini card that was sent to me by my lovely friend Karen McClure. I've been friends with Karen for years. She is in my team, and she sent me this lovely card, and it's a mini one, and it was to hold some vouchers, and I just thought, how cute is that? So I got the same paper, which is the Parisian Blooms. Is it Parisian Blooms? Parisian Beauty? I can't remember. And this is what I came up with. So this is my larger version of Karen's smaller card, but instead of this punched border, I've got some self-adhesive crocheted lace, which is this one that I bought locally for not a very lot of money. So I've used the same stamp, which has come from the Peaceful Moments there. Okay, brilliant set. And that's what I did. And then I thought, that's a little bit too Stampin' Uppy. And I've told myself I'm not doing just Stampin' Uppy. So here is my shabby chic version. Alright, and what I've done is I've used the beautiful paper and I've created this. And this is more my style of what I like crafting. So we've got a beautiful little digital imagery here, which will have come from Artimaze. And I've got a paper doily that I've got, the very, very thin ones. These are lovely. I've got them off eBay somewhere. And then some bits of lace dotted about, just little offcuts from my crafty hoard. And then in the centre of each of these little delicate lace flowers, I have added a little rhinestone crystal. So I just thought I'd come and share that. So from this tiny little card, you know, I was inspired to do that one first and then that one second. You know, you can get just a hint of inspiration from somewhere, and it was the split of the two papers there that particularly drew my eye. I love the foiling in this paper, I think it's lovely, and the writing on this one's foiled as well. So I thought I'd come and, I didn't mean to throw that then, like we're chucking it. So there you go, so from this to this, and that is the same principle with just the double paper, the same idea, but done in 3 different ways. So I hope that gives you some ideas of how to make some beautiful cards using the beautiful paper. Remember, you can take just a hint of inspiration and you can create something really lovely. So I thought I'd come and show you what kind of crafting I kind of really enjoy doing. I'm going to go do some more, and maybe I'll show you. Thanks for watching. Bye.